Welcome back to the Star Health channel. I am Nawaz, a sports scientist and your health and fitness guru for today. We are diving into the ultimate showdown, yoga versus gym. Which one's better for you? So whether you are a yoga enthusiast, a gym junkie, or you are just here because you can't decide between the two, this video is for you. Alright, let's kick things off with yoga. Yoga is like that backbencher in the school who ends up being a CEO. It's full of surprises. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. It's been around for over 5,000 years. And guess what? It's still trendy. Yoga is more than just a workout. It's a way of life. It combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. But why is yoga so popular? Well, it's not about flexibility. Yoga improves strength, balance, and even mental clarity. Research published in Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that regular yoga practice can significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels while improving overall mental health. And who doesn't need that, right? Now, let's talk about gym training. When you think of gym, you probably picture big dudes lifting heavy weights. But it's so much more than that. The gym is your fitness buffet. There's something for everyone. So, what's the gym good for? Building muscles, burning fat, and improving your overall health. Alright, time to put these two fitness giants head to head. Who's got the edge? Let's break it down. Let's discuss the pros and cons of yoga. Firstly, the pros. It improves flexibility, balance, so say goodbye to clumsiness, reduces stress and anxiety, enhances mental clarity. It's low impact, so it's suitable for all the ages, so your grandma can join too. Now on to the cons. It may not be intense enough for those looking to build significant muscles. It requires patience and consistency to see results. Now let's talk about the gym pros. It builds muscle mass and strength, so get ready to hulk out. Improves cardiovascular health, variety of workouts to prevent boredom. You will never have to do the same thing twice. Quick visible results with consistent effort. Now let's talk about the cons. It has higher risk of injury if not done correctly. Poor form and postures can lead to even permanent disabilities. The membership fees is on the costlier side because it requires a lot of equipment. So who wins? Well, it depends on what you are looking for. If you want to zen out and find your inner peace, yoga is your best bet. If you want to pump the iron and get shredded, the gym's got your back. Let's dive a little deeper into the science behind yoga and gym workout. It's time to geek out. But don't worry, I'll keep it fun. When you lift weights, your muscle tissues undergoes tiny tears. Sounds scary, right? But this is actually a good thing. Your body repairs these tears and in process, your muscles get bigger and stronger. This process is called hypertrophy and it's the holy grail of strength training. Now, yoga comes in as a perfect complement. The stretching and flexibility exercises in yoga help to release tension, improves blood flow, and speed up the recovery. Think of yoga as the yin to the gym's yang. They balance each other out perfectly. So in short, if you want to be a fitness superhero, combining yoga and gym workouts is the way to go. So there you have it. Yoga versus gym. It doesn't have to be a battle. Whether you're looking to build muscle, improve flexibility, reduce stress, or all of the above, combining yoga and gym training can help you achieve your fitness goals in a balanced and sustainable way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep moving, stay healthy, peace out.